Hello, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money from Western Union to the Philippines. Well, this process is quite simple. For example, let's type Western Union here. In our browser, we're going to go to the first page that's available. Here we'll see that we have a Western Union page. We can download the app if we want to do it from the application, but honestly, it doesn't really matter. Next, what we're going to do is click this button, or you can also register by clicking here on this button. And well, you have to fill in your information and all that by clicking here on register. And well, once we've done that, we're going to click here on send money. When we click on send money, here we're going to choose the country to which we want to send money. We'll wait for it to load and then we'll select the Philippines. Here we have the Philippines as the destination country. Now we're going to choose an amount to send. Thank you. Which would be in dollars, and here we would see how much that person would be receiving in the Philippines. Here we also have the option to choose how we want to send the money to our recipient, and well, we have a wide variety of options. If we want one of these, we just select it. Here, we're going to choose in this section how we'd like to pay, whether with a credit card, debit card, bank account, or Google Pay. Okay? So what we're going to do is click on Continue. To proceed with the money transfer process, they will ask for our information, the payment details, and the recipient's information. And that's all there is to it. It's very simple. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.